Vehicle introduction. Bulk grain transport truck is a special vehicle which is used for bulk feed, bulk grain and other bulk materials transfer and unloading operations. It adopts Hong-Yan heavy-duty vehicle chassis modification and National 5 emission standards. The vehicle is a combination of lightweight chassis and a lightweight upper body, larger compartment volume, while ensuring that the vehicle is not overweight. The body is made of T700 high-strength steel plate, and the yield limit of the material is more than 2.6 times that of the original body. The whole vehicle is composed of a second-class chassis, subframe, airtight body, lifting system, rear door opening and closing device, accessories, etc. This vehicle can realize faster loading, airtight transportation, hydraulic quick lift and discharging functions. 1. Large transport capacity, and the vehicle-mounted capacity is about 25 cubic meters. 2. Good air tightness. The back door is sealed with special sealing rubber strip and adopts a unique 4-point locking method, self-unloading locking, plus side cylinder locking, which can realize fully enclosed transportation, waterproof and dustproof. 3. The truck adopts the front-mounted oil cylinder lifting type unloading method, and the unloading can be completed quickly within 1 minute. 4. Strong structure and lightweight. The whole body is made of T700 high-strength steel plate and adopt the integral stamping forming process. Whether the connecting parts and fasteners are loose, whether the movement of the moving parts is normal and flexible, whether there is stuck phenomenon, whether the control valves and operation buttons are intact, whether the hydraulic pipelines, joints, valve group, etc. are normal, whether there is a leakage or damage. When the truck is working, step on the clutch pedal to cut off the power. After pressing the power takeoff switch on the dashboard of the cab, the power takeoff is in the non-state, then slowly release the clutch pedal. At this time, the oil pump begins to enter the quasi-working state. If the control box is installed in the cab by turning on the emergency stop button on the control box in the cab, the vehicle dedicated function control circuit is in the connected state. Press the power takeoff switch to return to the initial state, that is, disconnect the power takeoff state. Press the emergency stop button on the control box in the cab. After this operation, the vehicle's special function control circuit has been disconnected. Back up the vehicle into the loading position. Align the material inlet on the top of the body with the outlet on the loading side and then stop. The driver climbs to the top of the body from the climbing ladder set in the front of the side panel of the body and quickly opens the top cover of the material inlet. After the top cover is opened, the unloading device on the loading side can be operated to put the materials into the body. Check if the area around the vehicle is safe or not. Pay special attention to whether people or other obstacles near the operating position, and no people should stand within 5 meters on both sides and behind of the bulk grain transporter. The bulk grain vehicle arrives at the designated unloading position and is in place. When the car is in working condition, turn on the power takeoff and the special function power source according to the above introduction. Switch the lock hook switch on the control box in the cab to the on position to start opening the rear door, or operate the handle of the hydraulic control valve at the back door outside the cab to open the back door. When the lock hook in place indicator on the control box is turned on, that is, after confirming that the back door has been fully opened, the lock hook switch can be released to reset. When the lock hook of the back door is fully open, pull the lifting control valve lever next to the cab seat to the lifting position. Slowly lift the body to discharge. Confirm the completion of discharging. Push the lifting control valve operator lever to the down position, then start the lowering operation. After the body is completely lowered into position, push the operation lever of the lifting control valve to the stop position. Then turn the lock hook switch on the control box in the cab to the off position, or operate the hydraulic control valve handle to close the back door outside the cab. Make sure the back door is completely closed. After confirming that the dedicated device is fully restored to the initial state, disconnect the dedicated function power source according to the above-mentioned method.